How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to give you a tour of my 2-bedroom apartment that I am being staying at for the next couple months while I'm in Japan. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please hit that like button and of course subscribe to the channel. Let's go check it out. So we're going to start outside the room right next to the elevator. We'll be walking over here to my door. There is a mailbox drop off right here. That's pretty cool. Come inside. You can see my shoes are right there. Counter space currently for your mask. Storage. Lots of storage. And then your slippers for your in-room use. Your closet with toilet paper and your vacuum. And the vacuum is going to be a key role in a minute that we're about to talk about. Alright, we're going here. Always going left. Come straight in. Hi everybody. More left, and we got the traditional Japanese toilet there with the heated seat, the bidet, and the upper sink. As you can see, there's the water. You can wash your hands and it fills the tank. Coming back out, close the window, we have the sink here. It's a huge sink. Not bad. Plenty of space. More storage. The outlets here always seem very crowded. And then mirror light. That's really bright. Now let's talk about that vacuum. First we have the washing machine here. Very roomy. Done a couple loads. Not bad. The dryer is where the vacuum comes into play. So you turn it on like that. There is no filter. That is the filter. So I actually have to use a vacuum to clean that off every time. It's in the instruction manual I got when I got the room. So I have to vacuum the lint out of that. And every time you do your laundry, you need to open this because that's the vent port into the room. And then you have to turn the fan on because none of the heat dryers vent to the outside of the building. Next, we have the bathroom here, as you can see. Huge tub, like in height, but not very large. My legs are like all tucked up and everything. But that's what that's for. You take the shower head, you put it right there. You sit on your stool, and then you shower yourself off. And the bowl is sort of in the bath. Obviously you can't submerge, so you dump the water over your head. Coming out, we're gonna move down the hallway. As you can see here, there is something on the left. That's the water heater. I'm not gonna get into that. Door here, so let's say you are doing the laundry and everything, and you don't want all that noise. You can close the door, or if it's really cold, keep the heat over on this side. So that's the door. Going left, we're going to the kitchen. And we have sink, standard sink. We have pots and pans, rice cooker, a convection stovetop, kind of like a fish fryer, and a stove. That's pretty cool. All in this small little package right here. Outside the window is a building next door. There's no window view. It's more for ventilation. This is my burn trash. So in Japan, you have to burn your trash. And yeah, I don't take the trash out once a week. That is the current trash schedule. And we're gonna turn around here to the fridge. This fridge is cool. This fridge not only opens from this way, but it also opens this way. That's a bit wild, right? And then down below we have a freezer, and then the deep freezer down below. Microwave, toaster oven, dishes, cleaning supplies, more storage. Now after checking out that fridge with all that monster in there, let's head on over to the first bedroom. As you can see, I have my computer set up right here, the desk. It's a wonderful L-shaped desk here. Love that. Got my tripod over here for anything else I'm doing. My microphone, all this beautifulness here. That's my monitor. Obviously you can see I love Disney World. Chair, storage, More clothes storage. The bed is very firm. I'm just gonna throw that out there right now. My bag does not fit under the bed. That's where they recommend storing it, so it sits over there. Over here, we have our closet, where I thought I could fit my bag in there, but it does not close if I put it in there. But it's a nice clothes hangers. Oh, look at that. Got some clothes in there. This room has 4 different lights. So where we're at right now is wardrobe, and then desk, ceiling, and bed. So very well lit up, and it also has a heater in this room. We'll get to the heaters in a minute. So this is the first bedroom. Then we come out here to the living room. Over here directly to the left is the actual intercom to the front door, and more lights. Over here I have plastic containers, cans, bottles, and then non-burnable, which non-refuge, so plastics and stuff. I have to sort my trash. Yep, that's a mess. Let's see, we got a nice big table here. Got my stuff right here for whenever I need to get going. Got my bags all ready to go. My room keys. And then we keep moving forward, and we're gonna go left to the view. First view, so kitchen view over there has nothing. That's that building right there. And I have a great view down there of Blue Street and some other buildings in the area. Very nice. More storage. And we come over here, we have a couch. It's a comfortable couch. It's not bad. This actually raises up and down. You press that foot pedal and the whole desk comes up, and then you press down the desk and the foot pedal and pushes it down. The TV sounds amazing. It's good TV. There's another heater there / air conditioner. Obviously I can't read Japanese instructions, so they put it all in English on here because all the numbers and stuff on here are in Japanese. It lets me know humidity and temperature of the room. That's in Celsius, so it's 25 Celsius in here? 24 Celsius in here right now. Second bedroom, you have the same wardrobe set up, the same L-shaped desk, same bed, but this bedroom comes with a view. But the doors don't seal very well, so you get a lot of street noise in here, so I sleep in the other room. Another heater. So there's 3 heaters / air conditioners in this 2-bedroom apartment. We're gonna come out here, and now we're gonna go to the best part of this whole building, because I'm on the top floor, and it's this view. And it's sunset right now, so everything looks amazing. And this is what I get to look at. And look at this. That's pretty awesome. Like I said, there's the building right there. Look at that sunset. Obviously it doesn't do well on camera, but it looks amazing. So that's pretty much it for my 2-bedroom apartment that I'm going to be living at for the next couple months while I'm here in Japan. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And like I said, I'm in Japan, so you're going to want to see more of these. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.